Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks. I made a video for somebody earlier about some lengths of a line and how to cut a line in half by two different ways. And if you didn't watch that, that was part one. Was really not named part one. It's just the first one. This will be part two. But if you want to divide this line by half, you could just go divided by 2. And so it's 17, so it's going to be 8.55. This one is 20 inches, and we could go, I always take away the inside. I don't know if you have to. I want to make it times 2. Now it made it 40 inches. So you can change that quite a bit. You can see it's 100 or 200% if we go back to 100. Well, that doesn't seem to work. But you can make it 20 here. And see, now it's back to 100, and we type in, it doesn't do anything on that side. But you can divide it. So let's go back to this. It was like 17 inches. And let's divide it by 3. So hit the /3. So it's 17. It's going to be like 6 or 5.704. So that's how you can make a line shorter. Now, the other video I was showing today was actually cutting a line in half and not really getting 50% of the line. And we just took a line and drew it down, and then select both of them and we'll get your pick tool, select both of them and go with the letter E and C. And then you can take your virtual segment delete key and delete that side of the line. And now that line is 10 inches long. But we could still go times 2 and it put it back to 20 inches. I hope that was what he was asking, and thank you for watching.